cleanse. Ajuma hat. Let's go soak up some vitamin D and start off our morning on the right foot. I love walking. It's like my therapeutic time. It's a time where I think and have time for myself. So I advise you guys to do the same. It burns and it stings. I don't know what happened. 2025 is already kind of crazy. Okay, because I have a really bad rash on my face and it burns and itches even when I'm like touching it like this, I don't want to put sunscreen on today. So before we go on our walk, I'm gonna pull out the Asian Ajuma hat and block out all these UV rays that are gonna make my skin worse. You can't even see me. I look like my mom. We're gonna wear this on our walk today and at least soak up some vitamin D and start off our day well. These are my favorite walking shoes. I got one for Lauren and my mom and we love our Hokas. I love them. They really help me. On a walk with my mom, getting that vitamin D in. This is your sign to start off your morning with a nice walk because you can soak up vitamin D, you can enhance your mood for the day, your mental clarity, and it just makes you feel really good.
And also listening to your favorite music,
Yeah,
that helps a lot too.
that sounds good.
Yeah.
Too bad we're chit-chatting today.
Oh no, I love this too.
It's like Minecraft IRL. Do you know what IRL means?
No, I don't.
In real life. This is actually a new hiking trail that we've never been to, but this is really pretty. My mom and I have been trying to find more like walking / hiking spots, and this is really nice. One thing my mom and I like to really do is look for like different animals, and clearly we saw a lot of animals today. We saw like squirrels, and I think that was an egret, but hopefully we can find some more. I love looking for animals and new plants that I've never seen before, so maybe that's something you could do on your walks as well. Another quick and easy thing you can do that's pretty much free is just to clean up your space. I feel like deep cleaning 2025, it just makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is clearly you can see that my bed is not made, my room is a mess, the kitchen's a mess, the living room's a mess. We all need to take down our Christmas decorations, and I feel like it's just like a perfect way to just deep cleanse your space, you know, get that like feng shui energy cleaned out, you know what I'm saying? It's a new year. I think I can see the reflection and the correlation of my mental health and my space. So today, let's deep clean and reorganize everything. First up is the kitchen. We have to organize all the groceries that we got yesterday and put stuff away into the cabinet. So it's not just me who's gonna be cleaning today. It's a team effort. We got my backup, and another thing that helps us with the cleaning is if we don't feel like cleaning, putting music on or like listening to a podcast while you're cleaning really helps make it more enjoyable. So Lauren put on her headphones. We also have like our Alexa, but
No way, I can't get copyright strike.
so I can't listen to music. We're just gonna have to do this, Mom. We're gonna clean the kitchen now together. We also have to organize this side, and also guys, our rice cooker broke. This is the one that I was literally just talking about how it's our favorite rice cooker. There's a broken piece of glass.
Oh, I broke a glass yesterday.
I'm gonna wipe everything down and just give it a deep disinfecting spray. Also guys, side note, don't forget to clean your oh my gosh, don't forget to clean your toaster, because this could literally just set on fire. Good catch, Lauren. There's heck of crumbs in here.
A few moments later.
And after, so much cleaner. I also got these teas for the new year and we're gonna put these away. I really like this one for hormonal acne and this one for period related issues. Is our like supplement slash tea cabinet. I just shoved it in there. Good. And you know, after the new year, we had like parties and stuff. So there's just some stuff that we haven't cleaned up and it's time to clean. This is just like PR stuff that I need to put away. So this is what it looks like before. And I'll show you what it looks like during the process of cleaning it and after. Fun about cleaning is that you can find everything else that you need and you get distracted. But I found some pimple patches. I'm gonna put some on my pimples because I've been breaking out. I really like these ones though. These are the Parnell ones. I feel like I've been really liking Parnell. Good work, Lauren. You're doing a great job, sweetie. Don't you feel so inspired, guys? Mom?
What?
Do you have any words of wisdom for my audience?
Back hurts. Don't overdo it.
Don't overdo it, she said. But like for the new year, do you have any advice?
Just do whatever makes you happy. Don't wait till the last minute.
She's always told me that since I was little, and I really appreciate that because I feel like parents put a really hard standard on their children, but my mom always let me do what I wanted. So thanks, Mom.
Sure thing, Hannah.
Ta-da! It's here now. We got our trusty vacuum. This is the Dyson that we got from Costco, and we're just gonna vacuum. To get your vegetables in, my mom actually cuts up a lot of these different vegetables and then she'll put them into the rice paper like a little spring roll, but like it's a good way to clean your fridge out. Yeah, and it's really yummy and it has.
And you have to wrap it yourself, not me. I do all the work for you and
lunch.
you do the dirty work.
Ignore her, lunchtime. When you wrap it, this is what it will look like. I just cleaned my room last week. Well, look at this. Okay, but to be fair, guys, I get ready and then I forget to clean it up after myself because I'm in a rush. So we're gonna clean this and I'll get back to you. First, I gotta clean these water bottles up. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. Guys, my biggest pet peeve is like water bottle using, but like lately we haven't been able to refill those water tanks that we have because it's so heavy and nobody in my house can carry it, especially because my mom got surgery. I've been really sick and Lauren has been really busy, so I've been drinking water bottles. It sucks. Better. I want to show you guys what I kept on my beautiful drawer. I have the donut lamp from IKEA. If you saw my last video, you know this one. I have this little Miffy that's super cute. I also love this Arabella perfume. Look at how gorgeous it is. And then my boyfriend got me this Christmas card. Isn't it so cute? It's like the best card that he gave me. I have my AirPods and hey guys, can you see me? I got this I got this cosmic perfume and check this out. They engraved my name on it. It's so pretty. And this is like my favorite perfume right now. It's the Kayali Bougie Marshmallow. This one literally smells like a bougie cotton candy marshmallow. I don't know how to explain it. It's not too childish where it's like too sweet, overly sweet, like Bath and Body Works type of scent. These are the notes. I really like it. So I keep it on my table. PR boxes that I actually also have to clean. Check these out. It's the Makeup by Mario one. Look at this. Isn't that insane? And this Prada one, that's insane. I can't believe I got this. Check this out. Ta-da! How pretty. This is like not a bad thing, but it's like really hard to keep my room neat because I get so many boxes like this. I don't have the energy to sort things out and clean them, but check this out. This one's so pretty. It says like the Glossier New Black Cherry. I also got this Say Beauty. I believe this is like a jewelry box. Check this out. It's so pretty. I'm like so grateful to get this kind of PR every time, but I'm just like, I don't know what to do with it, especially when they're boxes like this. I don't know where to put it in my room, so they just start piling. But yeah, let me sort through the PR boxes and I'll be right back. Also, I feel like having a drawer like this is so helpful. I keep a lot of my makeup in these bags. I feel like having stuff like this for organization can be really helpful. I also have like these crates that I bought, and they've been really helping me keep my place neater and more organized because I could put more makeup in there. Also, look how many loose hair ties that I found while I put one in my hair, but while I'm cleaning my room, I thought I lost all my hair ties. Oh wait, there's another one. But turns out I just have them like hanging around in my room, so it's literally like a deep cleaning for me. Look at this. My mom just gave me another one. Another part of my house that I think we should clean is the bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and organize my skincare in here. I feel like we could just start off like that because now we can check the expiration dates, put away the products that we haven't been loving or using, or maybe make it separate so we can use it on our bodies or something like that. That's one thing that I really like to do. Products that I don't like to use, I will just put it on my body so I don't waste it. And another like nice little tip that I kind of like embedded into my life was if you don't have time to dedicate several hours to give your space like a really deep clean or just clean your house in general, it's just cleaning my room or wherever space that needs to be cleaned at least like 5 to 10 minutes a day, like before you go to bed or before you do anything, just so you can go to sleep and at least have like a space in your house that's decently clean. And that way, if you implement that kind of like 5 to 10 minute strategy of cleaning, you won't have like a giant mess to clean. Does that make sense? This is what my bathroom counter is looking like. So I keep all the products that I really like on display. And it's also really aesthetic. Like, look at that. Products that I know I don't find myself using, I'll go ahead and put them away. Maybe over here, just so it's like also organized. But I just spent my time organizing all my skincare and, you know, checking expiration dates and stuff. And so this side, we're all good. Some hand soap. Can put the Vaseline away. I also just organized my shower area. I literally never take a bath, but I thought it would be nice to have like an aesthetic bath area, so it just looks nicer in my bathroom. Every year, I usually always do a vision board too. I always really wanted to do like a physical vision board, but to be honest, I don't have a printer and I don't want to waste paper and ink like that. So what I really like to do is I like to use Canva and I just create like a mood board or a vision board and like a resolutions list. But honestly, I just really like to use Pinterest. I'll just save some really cute pictures. If you guys need a Pinterest board inspo, you guys can follow me on Pinterest too. It's at I'm Hannah Cho. While we're on the topic of digital stuff, another thing you can do is like a digital cleanse. I feel like this is really underrated and underlooked. So what I like to do is I will unsubscribe from all my emails that I don't want to be subscribed to anymore, because I didn't know, but that actually causes like a lot of like environmental issues to have power to send you an email. It uses like a lot of resources. I like to unfollow social media accounts that I feel like don't make me feel happy, because this is my phone. Like, you do not have the rights to annoy me on my phone. But I'm also gonna go through my entire phone and start to delete the apps that I find myself not using anymore, because I have a lot of apps that are not even fully downloaded. Like, what the heck is this? Arcade games, but there's like nothing downloaded. So I'll probably delete these. I also like to delete the chats that I have, like text messages, iMessage. It's just stuff that you have and chats with people that you don't talk to anymore. Just delete it. It takes up space. It's like useless to reminisce and look back at it. I'm like really guilty of not doing this one. I like to keep all my texts and stuff, but hey, new year, new me. You know what I'm saying? And another thing that we can possibly do is delete the numbers of the people we don't talk to anymore in the last like at least a year. I think I have so many contacts that I just don't even
know who these people are.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just delete them.